wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z,
from east to west,
I'm Noah.
and I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay!
Hi.
Hi.
Hi kids.
Hi. Kids, do you know that today we're on
It's
a
Pooh
special
Day.
trip? Yeah, we're at Pooh Corner now.
Pooh Corner.
Yeah.
Did you see my shirt?
Oh, you're wearing a Tigger shirt. Oh, I should have worn a Pooh shirt today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or a Piglet shirt or a Tigger shirt.
Well, the thing is,
Mm-hmm.
first of all, I love my Tigger shirt.
Yeah.
But your pink looks like Piglet.
Oh, yeah, it does kind of. It's mini, though.
Yeah.
Mini.
But it could be Piglet.
Yeah, maybe it's Mini Piglet. Right? And yours is Tigger.
T
T
for Tigger.
for Tigger. T for Tigger. Also
here-
for Tiger.
and here's Pooh.
Rawr.
Hi,
Yeah.
Pooh. Hi Pooh, how are you?
Wait. What do Tiggers do best?
Jump. Boing, boing, boing.
Yeah,
boing.
bouncing. Tiggers love bouncing.
Yeah.
Or jumping. Either. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
So what are we gonna do today?
We are gonna play.
Is it playtime?
Yes.
Playtime,
Yay!
kids! It's playtime.
Yay, playtime. And we are gonna play numbers with Pooh.
Pooh Numbers Match.
Yeah, Pooh Numbers Match.
Ooh, cool.
Yeah, it's really exciting.
I've never played this. Will you teach it to us?
I will teach it to you guys. And we have two characters we get to choose from.
Oh, I want Pooh.
No, I want Pooh.
I want Pooh.
No, I want Pooh.
I want Pooh.
Wait.
Then I'll be Tiglet. Tigger.
Tiglet.
Tiglet. Oops.
I like Tiglet. That'd be cool.
I want to be Tigger
Well,
then.
wait. No, the choices we have are
Pooh.
Pooh.
Okay, that's me.
Wait.
I wanna
Stop.
be
No.
Pooh.
Or
But I already have Pooh.
Piglet.
You be Piglet. I'll be Pooh.
What if I want to be Pooh?
But you're a pig.
Oh, now I'm not going to give you Pooh. I was going to before, but now you get to be Piglet. Yep. Because you were mean. It doesn't really matter which character we are. No.
Oh, okay. I want to be Pooh.
There, you can be.
Wow, you're so mean to me. You're so mean to me. They love you.
I was just trying to give you the card. I was just.
But you just went.
No, that hit my face.
I know. That's what you did
What
to
if
me.
you got me in the eye? It's all fun and games until someone loses an eye.
There you go.
This is going down. Hey, wait. Now Piglet or Pooh is mine.
Piglet.
Yeah.
You said Piglet.
Yeah, so.
It's Pooh.
Yeah, so.
Olivia,
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Will you help clean up the cards?
I will.
Okay, I'm sorry too.
I really want to play. I just wanted to be Pooh because I have Pooh, and since there was not a Tigger card, I just wanted to be Pooh because Pooh's my favorite.
I understand, but I wanted to be Pooh too, so couldn't we just talk about it and decide or take turns?
Yeah, but we could have done that. I guess so. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I'm sorry too.
Okay, can we play now?
Yep, let's play now. We gotta clean up all the cards.
You're Pooh first, and then maybe I can be Pooh second.
Yeah, or I can be Piglet first because I have a higher voice and he's pink.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Well, kids, we're gonna organize our cards.
Yeah.
We'll be right back, and maybe you don't be so mean to your sister or brother either.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Be nicer.
Yeah.
This was not our best display of affection.
No, it wasn't.
No.
Sorry, kids.
Yep, sorry, kids.
Okay, let's start.
Okay,
again.
let's start. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. So, what we did was we shuffled the cards and then we laid them all down on the floor or the table. And now what we do is there's one card that will spell a number in a word. So, one will be O-N-E or what's that one? That one's 7. So, 7 will be S-E-V-E-N. And then there's a card that has a number. Like, that one's a number 1. And so, then there's that number 1. And then there's a honey pots. Yeah. And that will have honey pots on it, and then you want to pick a card that has 1 honey pot, the number 1, and then one that has the word 1 spelled out. And then you flip them all over, and it'll make a picture.
Oh, I think I can do that.
Do you want to go first, Noah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go. So, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take...
Ooh, 10. It's a big number. Okay. Ooh.
10.
Okay.
And then I'm going to take this 10.
Yeah, that's good. Now he's got to pick the one that's written. Oh. Ooh. I hope he gets it.
And then I'm going to take... where is it? Oh, I think it's hiding.
Oh, it is hiding.
And then I'm going to take this one.
Nice. Oh, now let's see what picture it makes. Oh, and it says something too.
It says something.
Yeah.
Wait, I can read this.
Okay.
10. Okay, I'll read this. 10 bees. Oh, 10
Ooh.
bees.
And are there?
Yeah, I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Yay, good job. So now you can keep those cards on your side.
Okay.
Yay. And should I go for 9 then?
Yeah.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9. 9. Ooh, with the mouse. Let's see. And then 9. N.
I see it.
Oh, I see it too. It's by you.
It's right there.
Good call. Okay, 9. And then, and the number. Look, it's right there. 9. Oh, let's see what the picture is. Aw, it's got owl. I like owl.
Oh, that's a very nice picture.
Oh, and look, Noah. Look. Wait.
That
Look,
must be-
Noah. It's for me.
It is for you.
9 books.
9 books.
And you think there's probably 9 books, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very
9
good.
books. All right, that one's mine.
I guess I'm doing 8 since we're going backwards.
Yeah, we're doing.
So
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that's not it.
We're doing a
Okay,
countdown.
so I'm gonna take 8 right here.
Nice. Ooh.
8.
Ooh.
Oh, and
Pretty. It's
then
orange.
there's 8 right there.
Ooh. Oh, that's a funny word.
Oh, Aikens.
Aikens.
But I think I'm missing a picture.
Yeah.
Because Aikens is not a word.
No, it's not.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I think it's over there at your foot.
Oh.
Can you
Do
help
you want me to hand you it?
Yeah.
Is that the one?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and he's in his garden.
He is in his garden.
Aw. Oh, that's a cool picture, too. I like that one, too.
Oh, and it says 8 pumpkins.
Yay! Oh, and look, they're rolling away.
Yeah, they are.
They're going far.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8!
8.
8 is great.
Okay, I'll put this to the side.
Okay, cool. So now I'm doing, let's see, 9, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. I'm doing 7.
You're doing 7.
7. Okay.
I see a 7 on your foot.
Oh, thank you. They're so easy to grab, too.
that I like.
Yeah, a little bit. Ooh, 7. And is it? It's a beaver.
Looks like a beaver.
Right? It looks like a beaver.
Yeah.
And, oh, the other ones are right next to each other. I see them both. Yeah.
Oh, right there.
7 and 7. Oh, wow. Yeah. That's, maybe it's a groundhog. Or a prairie dog. Do you think it's a prairie dog?
Maybe. No, it is a beaver.
Do beavers make holes in the ground?
I don't know.
It's an animal that digs holes, though, because look, it says 7 holes.
7 holes.
And then let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
And there's a mailbox.
Oh yeah, and a mailbox. Oh, and the flag is up, so he has a letter.
Yep.
Okay, these ones are mine.
Okay.
Should
So
we
the
move
next
the
one-
cards in, or we're okay? We're okay.
Next one is 6. We do 6?
Yep. Do 6. Ooh. Yeah, you found that one fast.
I did.
Good job. Oh, Kanga.
Kanga.
Yay.
6.
I see one. By your foot.
Oh, there.
Yeah. Very nice. S-I-X. Ooh.
Sires.
Sires.
That's not right.
No.
I'm missing the middle part again. Can you help me?
Oh, yep, I see it. There you go.
Thank you. 6 flowers.
6 flowers.
Oh.
And they're daisies.
Yeah.
I like
and it's so
daisies.
nice. It's Kanga and Kanga.
Roo and Roo.
Kangaroo.
Yeah, Kanga and Roo.
Kanga and kangaroo.
Aw,
Okay, I'll put them to the side.
cute. And so now it's 5. Oh, there's a 5 right by your hand.
Yeah,
Will you
there
grab that one? That was
course.
good luck. Thank you. Oh, and there's a 5 by my foot. Stretch. Ooh.
There's another 5 right there.
Oh, yay. Good job.
Oh, it's Piglet. It's
Piglet, it's mine. Oh, and I got it. That's great. So 5 spoons.
5 spoons.
Oh, that means that you got Pooh when you had 10 bees with Pooh, and now I got Piglet, and I was Piglet, and you were Pooh.
Yeah.
That's neat.
That
is neat. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And
Now it's time to get 4.
4.
I see the 4 there.
Oh, and I see one right here. Here's a 4.
Ooh, I think I know who this is.
I think so too, and it's good that you got this one, huh?
It is.
Wow.
He's my favorite.
Ooh. Good job.
4 letters.
4 letters.
Oh, 4 letters.
4
Tigger
letters.
sending 4 letters. Or Tigger received 4 letters.
Yeah, and remember in the other one there was a mailbox with the letter thing up.
Oh, yeah.
It's all related.
Yep. Okay.
That's you. Oh, and I see a 3 here. 3. Ooh, I got a Pooh.
You did get a Pooh.
Let's see. Where's the other 3?
There's one right there.
Oh, haha. I didn't see that one. Thank you. Let's see. 3. Oh.
Uh-oh. 3 honey pots.
Yeah, it looks like there are 3 empty honey pots, huh? That's
Pooh
funny.
ate them all.
Pooh did. He ate it all. There's honey on his face.
Next is
Next.
2.
2. Yay. Oh, and I see one over here. Maybe I
2.
can't reach it. Okay. And 2.
Oh, and there's another number.
Oh, yay. And it's Christopher Robin.
It is Christopher Robin. He's my favorite.
Yeah?
He's my idol.
Oh, wow. That's neat. I thought you liked Tigger the best.
Well, he's the funnest.
Mm-hmm.
But one day I want to be just like Christopher Robin.
That's smart. Christopher Robin is very smart.
Yeah, I want to be as smart as Christopher Robin.
Oh, what does it say?
2 balloons. 2 balloons.
2 balloons. seems like you're already almost as smart as Christopher Robin.
Yeah, almost.
Yeah. Oh, and now we'll do one.
Yeah, do one.
So, one.
Oh, there's one.
Oh, yeah. And there's one over here. One honey pot. Ooh. Aw. It's Eeyore.
Eeyore.
Yeah.
Oh.
I really like Eeyore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One ribbon. It's
One
Eeyore's
ribbon.
One ribbon.
One ribbon. Ooh.
Well, that's it, isn't it?
No.
But why are there still cards left out?
Yeah, wait,
There's a zero there and a zero there, but why is there nothing? That's blank.
Yeah, because it's zero. Zero is none. So there's none honey pots.
No honey pot.
Yeah, zero honey pots, no honey pots. Oh.
Should we turn them over?
Yeah. Oh, and look, it's a Z. There's not very many words with Z, but there's a Z.
Yep. Oh, that one's funny. That's
It's funny.
Zero bees.
Zero bees, and he's in a honeycomb.
Yeah.
He's eating all the honey.
He's happy.
Yum, 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 yum.
That's cool.
Awesome.
Well, should we show all of the final pictures to the kids?
Yeah. Let's
Let's
show
do
them.
that.
Okay, let's show them.
Okay. That was a fun game, wasn't it?
That was a
Olivia?
really fun game. I liked it.
I learned about the numbers again.
Yeah, I learned about the numbers too.
All of this game play.
Mm-hmm.
Now I kind of want honey too.
Yeah, I want a snack.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Is it snack time?
yeah, it's snack time. Kids, thanks for watching Dreaming,
Yeah,
and
thanks
I
for
hope you
watching
enjoyed
Dreaming.
this. And you're gonna play this at home too.
Yeah, we had fun. Have
We
a
did.
good time.
Have a good time. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Let's go. I'm hungry.
Yeah, let's go.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!